Confidence isn't born, it's built. Many people think that confidence is something you either have or you don't. But the truth is, confidence is a skill, a habit, and a mindset, all of which can be developed over time. Today, I'm going to show you how to build unstoppable confidence, step by step, with strategies you can start applying today, no matter your current level. First, let's clarify what confidence really is. Confidence isn't arrogance. It isn't pretending to know everything, and it certainly isn't comparing yourself to others. True confidence comes from knowing your strengths, accepting your weaknesses, and trusting yourself to face challenges. It's the quiet assurance that you can handle whatever life throws at you, even when things get tough. One of the most powerful ways to build confidence is through small, consistent wins. Think about it, every day, there are opportunities to prove to yourself that you are capable. It could be something as simple as waking up on time, finishing a task you've been avoiding, or learning a new skill. Each small victory sends a signal to your brain, I am capable, I can achieve this. Over time, these small wins compound, creating a solid foundation of self-belief. For example, imagine someone who wants to speak confidently in public but feels nervous in front of others. They start small, speaking up in a meeting, or sharing an idea with a friend. Each successful attempt adds to their confidence, and eventually, speaking to a larger audience doesn't feel as intimidating. That's how small wins build unstoppable confidence. Next, let's talk about self-awareness. Confident people understand themselves, they know their strengths, their weaknesses, and their triggers. Take time to reflect on your achievements, your challenges, and the lessons you've learned. When you clearly understand what drives you and what holds you back, you make decisions with certainty. You stop doubting yourself in situations that once made you anxious. Remember, confidence doesn't mean never failing, it means knowing how to respond and learn from failure. Your self-talk is another crucial factor. The words you say to yourself shape your reality. Replace phrases like, I can't do this, or, I'm not good enough, with affirmations like, I am capable and learning every day, or, I can handle this challenge and grow from it. Over time, your brain begins to believe what you repeatedly tell it, and confidence becomes a habit rather than a fleeting emotion. Body language also plays a massive role in building confidence. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, make eye contact, and move with purpose. Even if you don't feel confident initially, these physical cues tell your brain that you are in control, and over time, your internal state begins to align with your external posture. That's why leaders, speakers, and influencers focus so much on posture, it literally affects how you feel inside. Preparation is another key ingredient. Confidence often comes from knowing you're ready. Whether it's a job interview, a presentation, or even a difficult conversation with a loved one, preparing thoroughly gives you a sense of calm and control. When you feel ready, you act decisively, and that decisiveness breeds confidence. Now, let's dive into something many people overlook, embracing challenges. Confidence grows when you step outside your comfort zone. Avoiding situations that make you nervous might feel safe, but it keeps you in a cycle of self-doubt. Start by taking small risks. Speak up in meetings. Try something new. Approach social situations that intimidate you. Every time you confront fear, you strengthen your confidence muscle. Visualization is another powerful tool. Many successful athletes, leaders, and performers visualize themselves succeeding before the actual event. Close your eyes and imagine yourself handling a challenge perfectly, giving a speech, leading a team, or confronting a difficult situation calmly. Visualization prepares your mind and reduces fear, making real-life situations feel achievable. Another factor people underestimate is the company you keep. Confidence flourishes in supportive environments. Surround yourself with people who uplift, encourage, and challenge you positively. Avoid chronic critics or those who drain your energy. Mentors, friends, or communities that inspire growth can accelerate your journey to unstoppable confidence. Self-care is often ignored, but it's essential. Exercise, proper nutrition, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices aren't just about physical health, they're confidence boosters. Feeling strong, energized, and focused naturally makes you feel more capable and resilient. When your body and mind are in alignment, confidence becomes much easier to sustain. Let's talk about failure, because this is where many people stumble. Every confident person has faced setbacks. Confidence isn't about never failing, it's about knowing that failure is temporary, educational, and part of the journey. Each mistake teaches a lesson, shapes your resilience, and equips you to handle bigger challenges. Embrace failure, learn from it, and let it fuel your growth. Another practical tip: set personal standards, not comparisons. Don't measure your worth by what others achieve. Confidence comes from focusing on your own growth, progress, and achievements. When you track your personal improvements and celebrate them, you build self-respect and inner strength. A story to illustrate this: there was a young man who feared public speaking. He avoided it for years, thinking he wasn't talented enough. One day, he committed to speaking for just 1 minute in front of a small group. It went well. Then he spoke for 5 minutes. Then 10. Each small step built his confidence until he became a sought-after speaker, not because he was born confident, but because he built it consistently. That's the power of intentional growth. Finally, cultivate gratitude and focus on your successes. Confidence is amplified when you acknowledge your progress and appreciate your abilities. Take a moment every day to reflect: what did I do well today? What challenges did I overcome? Gratitude reinforces a positive mindset and strengthens your self-belief. In summary, building unstoppable confidence is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Start with small wins, practice self-awareness, use positive self-talk, maintain strong body language, prepare thoroughly, step out of your comfort zone, visualize success, surround yourself with supportive people, take care of your mind and body, embrace failure, and focus on your personal growth. Remember, confidence is built one choice at a time, one action at a time. Every decision you make to trust yourself, face challenges, and grow contributes to the unstoppable confidence you are capable of achieving. So today, take one step. Speak up, try something new, or embrace a challenge you've been avoiding. That small action is the start of your journey. Confidence isn't born, it's built. And once you start building, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Believe in yourself. Start now. And watch your life transform. If you people enjoy this story, please share it with your friends. And for more motivational stories, please subscribe to Vire Tales and turn on the bell icon so you will get all motivational stories easily. Thank you to everyone to stay with us till the end.